Found some good solid ground there. There's a lot of muck.
Solid as you can expect in the muck.
It's mucky. Using your tree saver?
Yep. That's a nice synthetic.
So where's a
I
good...
think that tree's beyond saving anyway.
Yeah, it's full of ants. Full of ants, full of
They're gonna be
ants.
so itchy.
I know, these mosquitoes are awful. There it comes. Maybe. Wow. Yippee!
I don't even want to know how many bugs I have on me right now.
Let's see what the inside of this thing looks like. Hey, that could be a little bit of firewood, couldn't it?
Wow, look at the cord, how it dug. Look how soft that is.
It's all, as my dad would say, punky.
Yep.
This is an ash tree, isn't it? Is it ash?
I don't know my tree.
No, it's not. That bark is not ash. Now we got a little log out in the middle. See if we can find some ants. There are ants coming out. See, it's cutting it. Here we go. There they are. Coming out of the middle. Yeah, look at those ants. Oh, they're just full in there. Wow. Wish I had a light. Let's see what it looks like. What happened to your home, buddies? What happened to your home?
Okay.
You driving out of there?
Oh yeah.
Oh, you're going the upper way, huh?
Mighty Mouse laughed that little miner up. That's still a pretty big piece though.
Yeah.
Oh my. Harvey?
It's kind of back where you started with, isn't it?
Perfect.
Did you look inside? There's so many ants
I saw
inside
that.
there.
Yeah.
It's pretty
Yeah, that
fun.
guy followed out pretty good, didn't he?
Yeah. Well, that's why all these woodpecker holes are in there, going after the ants.
All right.
So we were dressed and ready for this, right?
Oh,
You're wearing Crocs, and I am
proper
wearing
PPE.
I'm wearing flip-flops.
Shorts, Crocs, sleeveless shirt. We're getting chewed by mosquitoes.
We need to drive fast through
Sounds
the
good.
woods.
Let's go.
Let's go. All right, bye-bye tree. Uh-oh.
Aw.
Uh-oh.
I don't have the black waters on. I got the carnivores. I'm gonna have to use four-wheel drive.
You sure that's gonna do it? There we go.
Yeah, torque walker working. I don't know. You think we can get past that little stick right
That
there?
stick standing up.
Test out my push bar?
It wasn't tall enough.
I can't even see it.
So here's some trees past that you've cut. That big one up there.
No turbo, we don't need it. Woo!
way you going with it?
Just try to swing it around here.
It's breaking as you go, so.
That's not down there.
Instead of helping you, I'm just gonna
You
film.
might have to back up.
I guess.
Back her up. Back her up.
Alright, reverse.
Big bugs are flying up shorts.
Alright. Beep, 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 beep. Is that enough?
Yep. So leave it sticking like this so we can come flying through and impale ourselves?
How about no? Well, that worked. That worked. I don't think you need to move that other one. We can fit through there, no problem. That's good. Okay, workout time.
Good lift.
Here, I'll get this one.
Perfect. Mighty Mouse might not be able to make it over this. Let's move her.
Yeah, let's get that one out.
Ow!
All right. Ah! Done? Oh, you're gonna do it? Oh, I thought you were gonna do it on your chin. All right, here we go.
Okay.
Onward and forward.
Reverse.
I had it in neutral, not reverse. Alright, so this is the old barn foundation here. Somewhere up there. Used to be an old barn. It was around here somewhere. It was the first murder in Clearfield County. Did you know that?
Well, we've lived here how many years and you just not tell me this?
Yeah.
So you want to camp out here tonight?
Well, it was at a bar that was somewhere along here.
Oh, there used to be a bar here.
Long time ago. I don't know what happened, but that's the rumor.
I would imagine somebody got drunk and went a little too far.
Yeah.
Okay, remember the chainsaw.
Oh. I heard something bouncing.
Yeah, I think remember the chainsaw.
Take it easy, don't break your chainsaw. Oh, look, all those little flowers are going to be dewberries. The birds don't eat them first.
I think my short course is still pretty wet yet.
Oh, goodness, here we go. I'm getting really muddy.
Oh, yeah, we're still pretty wet.
Whoa.
Insert maniacal laugh here. Oh, your dad's got it all running up.
Oh, come on.
It's only a little mud. It's good for the skin.
No, that's not good for my shirt.
Yeah, probably not. I got my clothes on.
Whoa! Okay, let's not roll it.
Short course 2.0.
Kind of late for me to be putting my
Watch your face.
kind of late to be putting my seatbelt on now, isn't it? Yikes.
I'm on the Endure and we're not going super fast. This guy doesn't have sway bars. It's a little sketchy. Taking these sharp turns.
And you realize that no one can watch that video
Oh, that's
without
a good
getting
little
sick.